Presenting the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra 5G. Presenting the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra 5G. It comes in color options of Phantom Black, Phantom White, and Burgundy, green and dark red. The phone has display of dynamic AMOLED 2x display. The phone also has every pen stroke, embedded S Pen and Epic Leap for smartphone technology. Outdoor visibility, 120Hz adaptive refresh rate and screen for an optimized view. It has more light, our most advanced pro-grade camera and your night's epic lens flare, super clear lens tones and fast-acting AI. It runs on first Galaxy S. It is powered by Samsung Notes and Galaxy's first 4nm processor. Faster CPU and GPU and most powerful chip. It also features fast charging support and wireless charging.